Cannot change password on Chime Spending Fix. If you're trying to change your password on the Chime Spending app and nothing seems to work, don't worry, this is one of the most common problems Chime users run into. Most people think it's a bug in the app, but here's the surprising truth. The issue usually happens because of how Chime handles account security and device verification. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, open your Chime app and go to the login screen. Instead of looking for a change password button inside your profile, tap on Need Help under the login fields. From there, select Forgot Password. This takes you to Chime's official password reset page. Enter the email address you used to create your Chime account. Within a few minutes, you get an email from Chime with a secure password reset link. Tap that link, it will open in your browser, not inside the app, and follow the instructions to set a new password. Here's something most people miss. Your new password must meet Chime's updated security requirements. It needs at least 8 characters, a mix of upper and lowercase letters, and one special symbol. If it doesn't meet those standards, Chime will reject it silently, which can make it seem like nothing happened. Once you've saved your new password, reopen the app, log out if needed, and sign back in with your updated credentials. Everything should sync instantly and your account access will be restored. If you never received the reset email, check your spam folder or any email filters you might have. Still nothing? Contact Chime support directly. They can verify your account and send a fresh password reset link. So remember, you can't actually change your password directly from within the app settings. You have to go through the Forgot Password process from the login page. Follow those steps and you'll have your Chime Spending account back up and running in minutes.